हेलो मैम।
Are we ready?
यस, मेरा ही पहला आ गया। ओके, स्टार्ट।
Okay.
ओके मैम, तो मैंने 70s का लुक क्रिएट किया है शर्मिला टैगोर का, और ये उनका एक बहुत फेमस मूवी है आराधना। और मैंने ये मतलब तब के टाइम पे हमारे बंगाल ब्यूटीज इतने बॉलीवुड में फेमस नहीं थी, लेकिन वो उन्होंने बहुत नाम कर लिया था, एंड वो मेरी वन ऑफ द फेवरेट एक्ट्रेसेस में से है। एंड ये सॉन्ग भी मेरा बहुत फेवरेट है क्योंकि इसमें सपना है एंड बहुत कुछ है, रानी है, लड़कियों को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से डेडिकेट किया गया है, इसलिए ये सॉन्ग मुझे बहुत पसंद है। एंड लेजेंडरी किशोर कुमार क्या है, इसलिए मैंने पूरा मतलब इसी के लिए किया है। एंड इसमें मैंने एक्सप्रेशंस भी दिए हैं क्योंकि तब के सॉन्ग्स में एक्सप्रेशंस ही ज्यादा होते थे। एंड मैंने इस तरीके से मेकअप को लुक मेरा मैंने क्रिएट किया है एकदम शर्मिला टैगोर ने जैसे उस मूवी में उस गाने में किया था, बिल्कुल मैंने वैसे ही किया है। मैंने कुछ ज्यादा मतलब उसी में अपना ही थोड़ा सा क्रिएटिविटी दे दिया है मैंने। एंड दैट्स ऑल। थैंक यू मैम।
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Priyanka. I guess Kirti ma'am lost connection, so let's just wait for her to rejoin so that we can take forward. Okay, we have her back. So let's proceed with Radhika. Hi, Radhika. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you so much. You can mute yourself. Radhika Rane, can we please have your video? Okay. All right. I think there is some network issue there. So let's move forward to Ayushi. Hi, Ayushi. अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
As you all know, today's round is all about makeup, and I represent myself through Indian classical makeup that represent culture of my state and a dance form that is Kathak. And a good thing is that you can represent your makeup through classical steps. So I'm going to show you my full getup with my dance steps. So this is my look by classical, and I represent my look through different steps of classical. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ayushi. Also, I would really request everybody to maintain a spirit, of empowerment for each other. Please do, digitally clap and, pass on the smiles, because it just keeps everybody going. So let's move forward to Nuksha. Hi, Nuksha.
मुझे और जजेस के एक्सप्रेशंस देखने थे यार.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Ayushi.
Am I audible?
Please mute yourself. Yeah. Ayushi,
Ma'am, am I audible?
हाँ जी. Yes, Nuksha, you are audible. Are we ready?
Okay, ma'am.
Go ahead.
A very warm good afternoon to everyone. My name is Nuksha Kumawat and I'm here to represent myself as a participant of Aphasia Forever. So firstly, to start with, I got inspired by the session which was held, makeup session which was held by Aphasia Forever training session to do the makeup. And also I was inspired by Priya Seni ma'am. I saw her Instagram videos. Then this, I think that a girl looks more beautiful in a sari. So I have worn this sari because it is an Indian tradition and culture it follows, and beauty attracts the eyes. So I've worn this sari, and I've done this makeup to enhance my beauty and look more beautiful. So I would like to show the products which I used. I used a face wash in the starting, then a moisturizer, then I used a Multani Mitti face pack along with purifying neem face pack. And then I used this roller on my face. And then I used kajal and eyeliner and lipstick. And for blushing, I used this lipstick to use the blush. And finally, I also use this Pond's White Beauty Cream for my makeup. And I'm also inspired by my mom to wear a sari because she has only made me wear this sari, and she has only made me ready for the sari. And also I'm inspired by Deepika Padukone ma'am because I love the way she wears sari and she looks more beautiful. And I think a girl looks more beautiful in sari and in the makeup, with the makeup. So this was this was about makeup and about the makeup and the look. Is the time up, ma'am?
Yes, Nuksha, the time is already up. So thank you so much, Nuksha. Thank you. Jury members, Nuksha was 40 seconds past her scheduled time. So let's move forward with Paulumi. Hi, Paulumi.
Ma'am, so did I speak more 40 seconds?
You exceeded your time limit. Kindly mute yourself for now. So let's hear it from Paulumi. Okay, I think she lost connection. So
hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, you there. Hi, Paulumi.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
A very good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone in our family is doing well and staying safe. I'm Paulumi Roy. I'm a biotechnology center writer and I hail from the city of Joy, Kolkata. The metropolitan city Kolkata is famous for its education, culture, architecture, and commercialization. Bengal is the cultural heritage of literature, music, art, and drama. Being a Bengali, I'm always proud of my culture and tradition. The warmth, beauty, and the traditions dwell in my heart. And especially when it comes to fish, Mishti Doi and Rasagholla, Bengalis are just fond of it. So today I'm going to present my Bengali culture. As we can see that I'm wearing this sari in a Bengali style. Girls and women are seen in this look on Ashtami, which comes on the 8th day of Durga Puja festival. And the festival marks the victory of goddess Durga against Mahishasura. During this time, women are empowered and glorified. A woman in a sari, this makeup and bindi showcases her beauty and intellectuality. She's the worshipper of goddess Durga, and she is capable of holding all the power within herself for the upliftment of mankind. She's a warrior and a queen wearing an invisible crown. Dhanyabad. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Paulomi. So let's move forward to Shivangi. Hi, Shivangi. Kindly unmute yourself, please. आप mute पे हो. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Shivangi Singh. I am from Varanasi. आज मैंने ब्लैक कुर्ता पैंट एंड उसके साथ हैंडलूम पर सिल्क दुपट्टा वेयर किया है, जो कि काफ़ी ट्रेडिशनल है, इंडियन लुक है. तो मैं ये एक ट्रेडिशनल लुक के तौर पे मैंने इसको वेयर किया है. और मेकअप की बात करें तो ये काफ़ी ब्राइट आउटफिट है. सो मैंने इसके साथ काफ़ी लाइट मेकअप किया हुआ है. एंड ये नाइट पार्टी वेयर ड्रेस है, और इसके साथ मैंने सिल्वर की ज्वेलरी वेयर की हुई है. एंड अगर ट्रेडिशनल लुक है ये काफ़ी. और हमारे यहाँ जैसे कोई भी फेस्टिवल है, अभी रक्षाबंधन आ रहा है, तो उस पर भी हम लोग ट्रेडिशनल लुक के तौर पे ये कुर्ती वगैरह और ये दुपट्टे एथनिक वेयर करते हैं. तो ये काफ़ी ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन लुक है. थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, Shivangi. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन है. एक्चुअली मैम मेरा कल एग्जाम है, तो क्या मैं अभी जा सकती हूँ या वीडियो में भी होना पड़ेगा?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. All the best for your exam, Shivangi. Okay, so sequence from here on would be Sanjita, Purva, Suman, Tabassum, Urvi, Hina. So let's hear from Sanjita. Hi, Sanjita.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm good. Thank you.
Are we
Good
ready?
evening.
Yeah.
Yes,
Go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening to the judges. I am Sanjita, and this is the beauty contest. Well, I gave a big thought on what should I get inspired or what should my look be from. But there was no source, because the most biggest inspiration is me and myself. So today this dress, as you can see, is made by me. I am a fashion designer, starting fashion designer. This dress is made by me. And the makeup which I have chose to go with it is completely a part of my personality, which is open hair, a big sleek look, and bold eyes, very bold eyes, and a minimal makeup, but it should look very vibrant and very cheerful. That's what is me. Well, beauty is what starts from the very moment when you want to be yourself. And that's what today I want to show everyone, that I am myself. When I wear something, when I dress up, when I do makeup, I want to be myself. I want to completely be myself, because you cannot be someone, or you cannot get inspired more than anything than yourself. And makeup is a very personal thought. Makeup is a very personal thing. It differs from person to person. But for me, this is makeup, this is dressing, this is fashion. And I cannot say anything more about fashion than being a fashion designer. This dress, is completely made from scrap, and I've stitched it, I've made it, and so that I can wear it in this contest. And there's one very small thing I want to say to every person or every girl who is sitting here. Get inspired from yourself. You can find tiny bits of things to get inspired, and present yourself and be yourself. Nothing can be better than that. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sanjita. Thank you. Do you remember Sanjita was 25 seconds past her scheduled time? So moving forward, we have Purva. Hi, Purva.
Hi, Harry. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Am audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Please start.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Purva, and today I present to you the Indo-Western style. Indo-Western style celebrates the fusion in fashion. It is the collision of elements of Indian tradition with the Western world of apparels. When it comes to fashion, I, for one reason, do not enjoy sticking to cookie cutter style stereotype for too long. I absolutely love my denim and tee combo, but there's no denial that the urge to experiment and get comfortably quirky with my outfit choices strikes to me every now and then. And that is the reason why I chose to pair my sari with the pantsuit, because I believe it reflects who truly I am. I'm a very traditional yet a Western influenced person. Talking more about my makeup, I try to keep it natural, simple, minimal, and I personally love the combination of effective and dramatic eyes with the nude lips. Also, I would just love to show you my entire outfit. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Purva. Thank you so much. So moving forward, we have Suman. Hi, Suman.
Hi, Harry. How are you?
I am good. How are you? Go ahead, please. Yeah.
It's not what you wear, but how you wear it. Fashion for me is not just a piece of cloth, but way more than that. I am a person who constantly experiment with fashion, and I also believe that to come out of a comfort zone is very important. Similarly, I have done the same thing and incorporated a fusion in which I have draped a sari in such a way that it looks like a skirt and a shawl as upper holding to go with it. For me, fashion cannot be dictated by anything but your own reality. And for that, you don't need to have a lot of money, but a little bit of passion and a boundless creativity. Going forward, I have put alta in my hands and my feet, which comes from Odisha. I believe here we believe that alta purely symbolizes purity and prosperity, and it is applied to every woman before they do anything sacred, as well as Ma Durga. Coming on my makeup, I have experimented with different style of makeup, and today I played with the colors of red. I have done some shimmer eye makeup and with a bold red lipstick. With this, I would say that I did not know much about makeup until I was introduced in Forever Star India's. And for the longest time, I felt that to cover up your flaws, you need to have a lot of makeup. But now I realized I did not cover up my stitches, which I had earlier. And rather, I'm trying to embrace it. So this is a body positivity message that I want to deliver to everyone, that beauty isn't something, box that you try to fit in, but something you create on your own. Thank you so much. And the flower the rose petal that were in the beginning symbolizes the femininity. People always feel that femininity and power cannot go together. I wish to rephrase its definition by saying femininity is being graceful, kind, strongly opinionated, and fierce. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Suman. Thank you so much. Jury member Suman was 20 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Tabassum. Hi, Tabassum. Can you please unmute yourself so that I can hear you? Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hello, hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. So are we ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
I'm Tabassum and I'm from Pune. And I have taken an attire of Indian attire. I'll just show it to you. And the role what I'm playing today is of people who inspire people, who motivate people. So I'll start with the story. Once there was a painting competition. उसमें दुनिया के हर एक अच्छे पेंटर्स को बुलाया गया था, जहाँ से, और उसका थीम था पीस, which shows that उनके पेंटिंग से शो होना चाहिए था कि it is peace. तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने different kind of पेंटिंग बनाए, जैसे किसी ने आसमान की पेंटिंग बनाई, किसी ने समंदर और आसमान और झाड़ अलग अलग तरीके से पेंटिंग बनाई, और फिर बाद में that painting was not selected. Lastly, a painting which was selected was there was like lot of noise, there was lot of storms, झाड़ गिरे हुए थे, बहुत सारी चीजें थी, और पीछे एक हट था जिसमें एक आदमी खड़ा हुआ था। उसके फेस से एक कामनेस दिख रहा था, एक स्टिलनेस दिख रहा था। तो वो दैट पेंटिंग वाज सिलेक्टेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइलेंस जो उनके चेहरे पे दिख रहा था, जो स्टिलनेस दिख रहा था, उसकी वजह से दैट पेंटिंग वाज सिलेक्टेड एज अ फर्स्ट प्राइज. So I just wanted to motivate that whatever the situation might be, we should always be happy, and our main motive should be peace. We should be peaceful and make people around us peaceful and happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Tabassum. Thank you. Jury members, Tabassum was 45 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Urvi, and post Urvi, the sequence would be Hina, Sneha, Anita, Angeline. So let's hear it from Urvi. Hi.
Hello. Good
Yeah.
evening, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
So good evening, lovely people out there. So today the theme was makeup. So I was a bit confused, like what to choose, what not to choose. So I decided to choose myself and to represent my own skin the way I am. So I decided to wear a crop top with a shrug and a little bit of long skirt, because makeup is something which makes you comfortable, and being it's a normal DIY hack, and it can makes me comfortable and represent my makeup routine, and it make me more confident, because confident is something you can carry. And I have heard somewhere that that a girl smile is the best makeup she can wear, and it can be created with some basic looks, like with a little bit of foundation, a little bit of mascara, and a little bit of matte lipstick and a blush. You can create this makeup look, and it's a very simple and a very easy makeup look, and it represents how you are, and being comfortable with your own skin and representing the world, and showing the world your own originality. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Urvi. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Hina now. Hi, Hina.
Hello, ma'am.
Hina, आपने अपना वीडियो ऑन कीजिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I can see you. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Go ahead.
Khama Ghani, I have chosen this outfit. This is called Poshak. This is the royal outfit of Rajasthan. It represents the Rajputi culture also. It is used in mythological characters like Jodha Akbar and Padmavat also. It is very comfortable, and you can see this. And I have do some tricks using this color also. Thanks to the Fasia, because this is I have learned a lot, like makeup and all that stuff, and I am doing this first time by own, this outfit and dupattas and makeup. I have done first time by own myself. So thank you, the Fasia. So they have grown myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Hina. Thank you so much. So let's proceed to Sneha now. Hi, Sneha. Okay, let me see if we have...
Hear me? Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
मैम, आप देख सकते हो, मैंने करिश्मा कपूर का ड्रेसिंग किया है, मीन्स ड्रेसिंग वगैरह, हेयर कट सब, क्योंकि मैं उनकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ और चेंबूर से बिलोंग करती हूँ, तो आफ्टर ऑल मुझे कपूर से ज्यादा लगाव है सब. और मैं जब टीवाई में थी तब मैम मैंने ये ड्रेस स्टिच और डिजाइन किया था खुद से. तो मैम मुझे कभी ना कभी ये तो ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म या सोशल मीडिया पे शो करना था, या मेरा टैलेंट मुझे दिखाना था सबको कि हाँ मैं मींस जैसे सेलिब्रिटी लोग हैं उनके जैसे स्टिच कर सकती हूँ, डिजाइन कर सकती हूँ. तो मैम देखो मैंने सब उनके जैसे किया है. और अस्मिता मैम ने जैसे मेकअप मींस सिखाया. पहले तो मुझे सिर्फ फाउंडेशन या लिपस्टिक वगैरह ही पता था, बट इतने सारे क्या क्या है कॉस्मेटिक्स, उनके वजह से सीखा और मेकअप भी मैंने किया है सब लाइक करिश्मा कपूर। तो मैम मैं उनके जीत मूवी के सॉन्ग पे डांस करना चाहती हूँ, यारा ओ यारा, ये उसका ही गेटअप है।
तुमसे बिछड़ के ये दिल ना रह पाएगा। थोड़ा सा पागल, थोड़ा सा दीवाना, मुझे दिल में रखना, नजर में छुपाना, तेरा मेरा ओए।
थैंक यू मैम, आई होप आप सबको पसंद आए।
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you so much. Thank you, members. Please note Sneha was 10 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Anita. Hi, Anita.
बेटा हेलो मैम, मेरी आवाज आ रही है क्या?
जी आपकी आवाज आ रही है, बट आप अपना वीडियो ऑन कीजिए।
एक मिनट मैम, 1 मिनट मैम। वीडियो आएगी मैम? वीडियो ऑन हुआ?
जी अभी आ गई वीडियो, एकदम आ गई। तो अभी तैयार है आप? अभी रेडी?
एक मिनट मैम, थोड़ा सा आज प्रॉब्लम है मेरा मोबाइल से, तो मुझे सेट करने में टाइम लगता है। यस मैम, यस मैम, रेडी?
ठीक है, शुरू कीजिए।
हेलो मैम, नमस्ते। मैं आज रिक्रिएट कर रही हूँ सुष्मिता सेन 1994। मुझे बिल्कुल हिचक और शर्म नहीं हो रही है एक्सेप्ट करते कि 1994 के पहले मैं जानती भी नहीं थी कि ये कॉन्टेस्ट भी होता है। अच्छा, मैंने जब देखा न्यूज़पेपर में तो अच्छा वो कोई अप्सरा उतर के आती है। मैं बेड पे थी, बेड रेस्ट में थी और डॉक्टर ने मुझे जवाब दे चुके थे कि शायद मैं बचूंगी नहीं, और मेरी मम्मी पापा के लिए मैं जीना चाहती थी लेकिन जीने का मोटिव नहीं था। कारण क्या है कि मैं लोगों के हीन भावना का शिकार हो चुकी थी। मेरा रंग सांवला है और मैं बहुत ही लंबी हूँ, तो मैं रिलेटिव, नेबरहुड और स्कूल सबसे टारगेट होके मैं जान देना चाहती थी। लेकिन 1994 की जो सुष्मिता सेन ने जब बना ना, तो मैं पढ़ी, वो मेरी लाइफ की टर्निंग पॉइंट आई थी। तो वो मैं एक लव्य हूँ और वो मेरी द्रोणाचार्य है। मैम, मैंने उन्हीं की तरह ये गेटअप किया है। आई होप सो कि दिख रहा होगा। थैंक यू सो मच। बहुत दर्दनाक कहानी है, बस इतना ही पर स्टॉप करती हूँ। थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, Anita. Thank you so much. So moving forward, we have Angeline, and post her the sequence would be Surekha, Bhavika, Aruna, Amisha, Aishwarya, Kanchan, and Shraddha. So let's hear it from Angeline. Hi, Angeline.
Hi, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am good. How are you?
I'm not fine because I have COVID positive right now.
Okay, so are you okay? Are you healthy as of now?
Not much okay, but still I should attend this. This is my dream shows. That's why I'm attending this, even though I am not feeling well.
Thank you so much for being here, Angeline. Thank you. But in case you think that you are really sick and you would want to appear later, there is always a later batch that you can reallocate yourself to.
No, ma'am, it's okay. It's okay. I'll adjust time.
I appreciate the spirit, and I am sure so does the jury members. So are we ready? Shall we start?
Okay, yes, ma'am. My name is Angeline Marie. I'm coming from Kerala. This time is a round for showing our makeup skills and dressing codes. I just do on a simple top. I say this, a simple top, because already I'm in quarantine, so I don't have my dresses with me. This is one of my friend's costume, so I borrowed it from her because my dress is not in my home. And this one also, it's looked so brighting, like a face will give, like our face will get some bright when we keep this crown. So I kept this also. And my makeup is little bit of lipstick, then no foundations or powders I have used. and eyeliner and eyeshadow. Only that's my makeup. More than in our appearance makeup, I believe in the inner beauty of a person. More than showing like doing makeups and but inner beauty is must. I believe in that. So that's all about me. As due to I'm sick, I was not able to attend this talent round 2. So I'm very sorry for that. Situations are like that. That's why, ma'am.
Thank you, Angeline. Thank you. And first of all, you do not have to apologize to anybody. You know, this is something that it is completely not under control. Thank you so much for appearing today. And, you know, all of us wish that you get well really soon and come back stronger and fitter for the next round. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Also, I would really suggest that you can leave the meeting and take some rest.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I'm leaving.
Yeah, good day. Okay, so let's hear it from Surekha. Hi, Surekha.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Surekha, I can hear you. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Good afternoon to all of you. मेरा नाम है सुरेखा मीना. मैं आलोर राजस्थान से बिलोंग करती हूँ और अभी गुजरात में रहती हूँ अपने हस्बैंड के साथ. एंड मैंने अभी अपना PhD कंप्लीट किया है कनोडिया कॉलेज जयपुर से. मैंने मॉडलिंग की है. मिस टीवी ऑफ इंडिया इंटरनेशनल 2019 में टॉप 5 फाइनलिस्ट में रह चुकी हूँ. राजस्थान को रिप्रेजेंट कर चुकी हूँ. एंड 18 की एज में मैंने अपनी मेरी शादी की है मैंने. एंड उसका एक रीजन था बिकॉज मेरे पेरेंट्स की जो फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन है इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, इसलिए मैंने शादी की. बट इस चीज में मॉडलिंग फील्ड में जो कि मेरा सपना रह गया था कहीं ना कहीं, वो मेरे हस्बैंड अभी पूरा कर रहे हैं. एंड जब भी मैंने अपना फेसबुक पे सबसे पहला देखा कि एफसीआई के ऑडिशन वगैरह कुछ नहीं हो रहा है एंड कि आपको पार्टिसिपेशन करना है, तो मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया. सिर्फ ये सोच के कि मुझे विनर बनना है कैसे भी, क्योंकि मुझे इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर जाना है. एंड उसके बाद जब अभी मुझे परसों मुझे मैसेज आया एफसीआई की तरफ से कि आपका टैलेंट राउंड सेकंड है, तो सबसे पहली चीज जो मेरे दिमाग में आई कि मैं क्या पहनूंगी, बिकॉज मैं कुछ नहीं रखती. तो एक साड़ी, एक लहंगा लुगड़ी जो हमारा पर्सनल कॉस्ट्यूम होता है मीनाओं के मेरी कम्युनिटी में, वो एंड एक लहंगा. तो लहंगा मैं अपने फर्स्ट टैलेंट राउंड में पहन चुकी थी. बट ये जो साड़ी है एंड ये मैंने अपनी मम्मी की साड़ी पहनी है, और ये साड़ी मेरी मम्मी ने सिर्फ एक ही बार पहनी है, और शायद मेरी मम्मी ने पूरी लाइफ में एक ही बार साड़ी पहनी है. और ये साड़ी मुझे आज काम में आई. मैं हमेशा अपनी मम्मी को बोलती थी कि मम्मी मुझे ये साड़ी चाहिए, जब भी मेरी शादी हो मुझे यही गिफ्ट करना. सो मैं अभी लेके आई थी इसको, और ये मुझे नहीं पता था ये साड़ी मुझे इस तरीके से काम में आएगी. एंड ये जो साड़ी है मैंने श्रीदेवी से इंस्पायर होकर पहनी है. एंड मैंने आज ही गूगल पे देखा था कि उन्होंने मुद्रित जॉर्जेट साड़ी पहनी हुई थी इस नेवी ब्लू कलर में, एंड बहुत ही सिंपल सा मेकअप किया हुआ था. सो मैंने भी बहुत ही सिंपल सा मेकअप किया हुआ है, ना कोई लाइनर यूज किया है. जस्ट मतलब जो काजल है उसी से अपनी आईब्रो फिल कर ली है, उसी को लाइनर बना लिया है. जस्ट लिपस्टिक लगाई है. उन्होंने कोई नेकलेस नहीं पहना था, तो मैंने भी कोई नेकलेस नहीं पहना है. जस्ट इयरिंग्स पहने हुए थे और एक रिंग पहनी हुई थी इस तरीके की. सो मैंने भी यही पहना हुआ है. एंड बहुत ही बेसिक सा मेकअप किया है जो अपन डेली यूज में भी कर सकते हैं, और आई थिंक हर हाउस वाइफ से डेली यूज में भी ये कर सकती है. सो थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
Thank you, Surekha. Thank you so much. Jury members, Surekha was 40 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Bhavika. Hi, Bhavika.
हेलो हेलो मैम, कैसे हो आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
एकदम बढ़िया. एंड हेलो जजेस, हाउ आर यू ऑल?
वो लोग म्यूट पे हैं, तो आई एम श्योर दे आर गुड एंड फाइन एंड स्माइलिंग टू यू. So shall we start?
Yeah, just a minute. I would like to thank Asmita ma'am, because आपकी वजह से मैं इतना क्रिएटिव लुक कर पाई, जो कि मुझे मेकअप में कुछ नहीं आता था. My makeup was just a simply Pond's powder. बस आपकी वजह से मैं इतना आज कुछ कर पाई. So thank you so much ma'am.
शुरू करें भाविका?
Hi. I'm artist Bhavika Tirekar, and today I am representing the look of Radha and Krishna, inspired from Bhagavad Gita. So let's start with positivity and positive shloka. Hey Krishna Karuna Sindho, दीना बंधो जगतपते, गोपेशा गोपिका कांता, Radha Kanta Namostute. I'm glad to share I'm a reader and follower of Bhagavad Gita, which is more philosophical book than the regional one. Bhagavad Gita was spoken 5,000 years back, which was communication between Lord Shri Krishna and Arjuna, where Arjuna was a student and Lord Krishna was a teacher. And I think this teaching should be included in our Indian education system to empower our youth and upcoming generations with their thinking process. And one thing that our education system should clear that it's not a regional book, it's more philosophical book, and its basic principles teaches and guides like such as doing right karmas, again control over our anger, anxieties, again desires, how we should control it. And Gita is a theistic science where it teaches and we come to understand what is the real purpose of our life and why we are here on this earth. So I think if Gita gets included in our Indian education system, lots of things will keep on changing and our India will be on top like other countries. And yes, this is the main most important thing, that foreign countries are adopting our culture, then why we are lacking back over here. So this is what I want to give from my today's concept, that we should never forget the God is the greatest, and everything today we have is just because of the God. So I pay my all the gratitude to Lord Shri Krishna as I am the follower, and I hope judges you loved my concept. And rather than this competition, मैं सभी को ये कहना चाहूंगी कि like in our personal life we go from dilemmas and all the confusions and emotions in a particular age. So I want to suggest that पता नहीं ये गीता हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में कब अप्लाई होगी. As we know our Indian laws, it takes lots of time. So please एक बार गीता जरूर read करिएगा. That will solve your each and every problem of your life. And this is the positive message I want to give from today's my attire and today's makeup look. As you can see, my half portion is Krishna and half portion is Radha, and I've done this because Krishna Radha ke bina adhure hai. So I've done half of the look with Krishna and half of the look with Radha, and I hope you love this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhavika. Thank you so much. Jury members, Bhavika was 1.5 minutes past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Aruna. Hi, Aruna.
आवाज आ रही है?
जी जी आ रही है. आप रेडी हैं?
हाँ जी हाँ
जी शुरू.
क्या होगा कि मैं एक इंडियन तिरंगा लुक है मेरा, तो मैं बताना चाहूंगी कि हम भारत माता को जानते हैं, भारत माता का जय जयकार करते हैं, उनकी तस्वीर भी देखी है, लेकिन उनकी शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई ये मैं बताना चाहूंगी. बहुत ही कम शब्दों में बताना चाहूंगी कि भारत माता का रूप क्या है. 19वीं सदी में आखिरी स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में भारत माता की जय जयकार की स्थापना हुई. किरण चंद्र बैनर्जी ने एक नाटक लिखा था जिसका नाम था भारत माता. भारत माता को एक माता के रूप में दर्शित किया गया था और उसी अर्था से नृत्य में प्रदर्शित किया गया था. तभी से हम सब जानते हैं भारत माता को, और भारत माता का एक चित्रित रूप हम सब देख सकते हैं. और मैंने ये जो लुक किया है ये ट्रेडिशनल महाराष्ट्रियन लुक है, महाराष्ट्र नौवारी साड़ी और विद तिरंगा भारत माता. मतलब मैंने दोनों को कॉम्बिनेशन किया है कि मैंने ट्रेडिशनल को भी फॉलो किया है और मैंने इधर आयस में तिरंगा का लुक बनाया है. ये फ्लावर मैंने बनाए हैं तुरंत तिरंगा के लुक में. ऐसे ही वो आप देख सकते हैं. और आई होप आप समझ गए होंगे. बहुत ही कम शब्दों में मैंने बताया कि मेरा लुक क्या है और मेरा उद्देश्य क्या था. मेरा उद्देश्य ये था कि भारत माता की लिए मैं कुछ बता सकूं और महाराष्ट्र के ट्रेडिशनल लुक में मैं भारत माता का लुक बनाया. थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, Aruna. Thank you so much. So moving forward, we have Amisha. Hi, Amisha.
Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. So I have decided a very unique theme for today's makeup round second. So my theme is rock belly. It is a street style. So I want to tell you something about today's theme, which I have chosen as rock belly street style. So it is one of the earliest styles of rock and roll music. It dates back to the early 1950s in US, especially the South. It blends the sound of Western musical styles, such as country, with that of rhythm and blues, leading to what is considered classic rock and roll style. So as you can see, I have done a very normal, simple, bold style with the winged liner and the very dark lipstick with blusher and highlighter on it. And I have kept a very unique hairstyle, like of rock and roll music with a rose. So here, this is my theme, which is known as Rockabilly Street Style. Thank you.
Thank you, Amisha. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Aishwarya now. Hi, Aishwarya. Okay, I guess she lost connection. So next we have Kanchan. Hi, Kanchan. अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. Yeah.
Hi, Hi, Harry. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for making us be a part of this, Harry. It's really pleasure.
Same here. The pleasure is mine to see you all perform so well. So, shall we start?
Yes, of course. Shall I show you first the look, the entire look, and then shall we start? Okay. So my look is Maharashtrian look. Shall I start? So for me, fashion and makeup and looking beautiful is something which my culture gave me, which my parents gave me, which their genes gave me. And I'm very happy to have this treasure of beautiful and being beautiful in front of all of you here. And I'm really glad to be a part of FSIA. And I would like to thank FSIA for giving us the training and the knowledge of the makeup. So I have done a complete makeup along with the moisturizer, foundation, primer, and the concealers and the patches as well. So I had a lot of patches on my face. So they actually taught us how to fill it, how to correct it, how to do the face corrections and the beauty corrections. And to be a part of this, I am really glad, and I actually understood how the makeup to be done. If I have shared a reel as well to show that how I was and how I am right now after FSIA. So I'm really glad to be a part of this. And to be honest, I have used the traditional makeup, Maharashtrian makeup and the Maharashtrian look, which again praise the Nawari sari, Hirva Suda, nuts, kudi, and the basic makeup, which does not include eyeliner, which just include the kajal and the gloss, and this everything is just taught by FSI, and I'm very thankful for that. I hope you all like the video, the look and the entire efforts.
Thank you, Kanchan. Thank you so much. Jury members, Kanchan was 30 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Shraddha. Hi, Shraddha.
Harry, may I leave? I mean, I have an office to join now.
No problem. You can.
Thank you. I'm so sorry. Bye-bye. All the best, all. God bless you.
So let's hear it from Shraddha. Are we ready?
First, I'm showing my dress. Jai Shri Krishna. First, I'm showing my culture. I'm basically Gujarati, so मैंने गुजराती साड़ी पहनी है गुजराती स्टाइल में, और मैं गुजरात को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ अभी। तो मैंने इसको गुजराती स्टाइल में पहना है, और मुझे साड़ीज पहनना बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि मैंने काफी सारी शेखी में भी पहनी है। तो मैंने सोचा कि आज अगर ड्रेसिंग और मेकअप का ही हो रहा है तो इसमें मुझे सबसे जो अच्छा लगता है, जिसमें मैं सबसे ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील करती हूँ, तो मैं वो पहनूं। तो मैंने साड़ी पहनी है, और मेकअप में मैंने लाइक मैचिंग ज्वेलरी और बहुत नॉर्मल मेकअप है, लिपस्टिक, लाइनर और जस्ट बेसिक मेकअप है। और मुझे लगता है कि हम धीरे धीरे कहीं ना कहीं अपने कल्चर को थोड़ा सा मतलब अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हैं और ज्यादा वेस्टर्न की तरफ भागते हैं। मुझे भी वेस्टर्न पसंद है, ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे पसंद नहीं है, बट स्टिल मैं ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट होती हूँ अपने कल्चर की तरफ। सो दैट्स इट, थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Shraddha. Thank you. So this is the last call for Radhika Rane. If she is present, can
Hello.
you? Yeah. Hi, Radhika.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Are we ready?
Yes, yes.
Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today's look is inspired by Jiza Mata. Today I'm wearing this Roveri sari all by myself. And why I choose Jiza Mata? She is the mother of Shivaji. Everyone knows Shivaji, but not his mother. She is the one who inspired him, and he also taught for politics. She was very much intellectual also. She has been very much in horse riding, weaponry, and now my today's look is inspired by her. I'm wearing all this kind of earrings because it is believed that the holes in earring are connected to eyes. So if we wear earrings, the friction in the eyes, friction in the ears will improve your eyesight. And the nut, the traditional Marathi look is incomplete without this nut. The nerves in this nose are directly connected to reproductive system. So that wearing nut will decrease the menstrual pain. And this Chandrakor, it is the point of creation. It may become unity. So it is most important in this Maharashtrian look. And this necklace I've been wearing because necklace are being are used for attracting the positive energy. And also bangles also has a huge importance in jewelry and makeup. Bangles are help in giving the energy to yourself, because the waves are electromagnetic waves are generated in palms, so that it gets the energy is not wasted in outside the world. Due to bangles, it is converted into our body. And Kambarbanda is like it is where do because to reduce belly fat. So it is below. So today's look my inspire. And flowers also. These flowers I'm wearing, flowers are known for happiness, and women are tend to bring happiness in the country, so happiness in the house. So that's why I'm wearing flowers. And why I choose this look, because Jiza Mata, she's inspired me a lot. She has taught his son in first place to respect women, and today is the need in this generation to respect women. And because women are subjected as an object, and now every person in the house should be treated every person in the house should be known that woman has an objective, woman has a vision, woman has an opinion. So we should respect women in every house. Thank you.
Thank you, Radhika. Jury members, Radhika was 20 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, this brings us to the end. Thank you so much, ladies, for putting up such a wonderful show. It was an extreme pleasure to witness each one of you perform so well. So now, before we get on to a one-on-one interaction, I would request the jury members to give on some parting words. So let's start with Kirti ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Harry, and thank you and congratulations to each one of you. All of you have performed beautifully. In fact, when I saw the first performance, I was, almost prepared that, all the best performances are going to come up today. What was her name? Priyanka. Yes, so Priyanka, when she performed, this actress from 70s, and she was so joyfully, she was enjoying that performance. So, that's what all of us are looking for, that whatever you are doing, firstly you yourself are enjoying it to the core. Yeah, only then the viewers can enjoy it. So the first performance was on point, and after that, all of you performed amazingly and phenomenally well. Let me tell you one more thing, that time limit ka dhyan humko rakhna hai, because when your performance, in your performance, if you're giving your 100%, lekin agar aapka time limit cross ho jata hai to hame aapka score kam karna padta hai. Please, it is very critical. Ab time limit ko ignore mat kijiye. Each and everything related to your talent round, the details which are shared with you when Harry is explaining these minute details to you, please listen to these very carefully, because आपने इतनी मेहनत की है, इतना अच्छा मेकअप किया है, इतनी अच्छी से आप बात कर रहे हो, लेकिन आप 10, 20, 30, 90 seconds up, how can you do that? Be more prepared the next time. Yes, I do not want to give you less marks. मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि मैं आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा marks दूं. And secondly, FSIA, चाहे तो आप इसको Forever Star India Awards बोल लीजिए, चाहे आप इसको FCA बोल लीजिए, ठीक है, but do not call it anything that you wish to. FCA or Forever Star India Awards, नाम हमें बिल्कुल सही तरीके से बोलना है, and keep smiling when you are performing. Right, a few of you I could see today कि आप बहुत ही you seem very nervous when you're talking. So when you're smiling, it totally portrays how confident and how well prepared you are. Right, so practice in front of your mirror. शीशे के सामने खड़े होके आपको at least 10 times practice जरूर करना है. I'm not saying with the makeup, but what you're talking about. आप क्या बोलने वाले हो उसको prepare कीजिए. अपने फोन में टाइमर लगाइए, 90 seconds के अंदर अंदर उसको कैसे कवर करना है. That you have to do anyhow, because I want to give you maximum marks to each one of you. Yeah. So all the best from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And now I request the lovely Chitra to take over and give us some piece of advice.
Kirti has said it all. In fact, she's mentioned things in detail also. I want you all to take her words very, very seriously, because she means what she says. And she really doesn't know. None of us like to deduct your marks or give you all less marks. And as far as your new look is concerned, the transformation I am seeing, the makeup has been, each one of you all have put your best foot forward. Y'all can experiment even more, create more dramatic looks. You all are been given the training. So just don't think that I am not a makeup person and I would like to do only simple makeup. No, just come out of your comfort zone. You have been given all the knowledge. Try it in front of the mirror and bring out the best in you, because makeup is not to hide your flaws. Makeup is done to highlight your best profile and make you more confident and in sync with the outfit. And yes, kudos to the trainers also who have trained you all so well and made you all, in fact, some of them have done so well that I wanted to personally congratulate the trainers for this. Kirti, please do convey to the trainers that they have done very good job with this, because
Right,
I know where these people started from.
Okay, let me just tell you that we have the trainer here today. Asmita is here and she has trained all of these participants.
Fantastic, because during the trainings, I did see them, and today I am seeing the change in them. So it is remarkable. Awesome. Thank you, Asmita. You are bringing the best out of them.
Thank you, Chitra. Thank you so much. So now, last but not the least, I'd like Asmita to take over, because of course I'm sure she has seen them raw and bilkul ekdam natural form mein. Now these people have come out, all thanks to you. So over to you, Asmita.
Hi everyone, and thank you so much first of all for having me as jury member. So yeah, it's so good to see like all of you experimented, like Bhavika. I can see a few faces right now, like Bhavika, Radhika. I just love how Purva did her makeup. That's so perfect. And like many of you have such experimented, so I loved it. Overall, everything is so good. So yeah, just keep practicing, so you'll excel in it. Yeah, that's all. All the best for your future rounds.
Thank you so much, Asmita.
So I would like to add one more thing here, that yes, first of all, thank you, Asmita, for training these participants so well. And I cannot point out each and every participant that you have your own uniqueness with you, and you have your own thoughts that you carry, and the way you talked about your how you think and how you feel that the society can improve, right? So this is what the platform is all about. And Bhavika, I just love the way you portrayed Radha and Krishna. Yeah, so yes, they both complete each other. So that's how we have to be really, really creative. Chitra has also mentioned that, bina makeup ke to hum rehte hi hain, right? Without makeup, we are there when we are at our homes. But now you actually need to come out of your comfort zones and experiment. Agar aap experiment nahi karenge, you will not know that what are your strengths, because that's what we are here for, to understand our strengths, our true capabilities. So all the best once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies, for being here with us today. It was an absolute honor to have each one of you. And I shall take your leave to just have some parting words with the participants. Thank you.